Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon rose. Hey, and welcome to today's video on teaching you how to draw a cartoon rose. As some may or may not be aware of, I am an avid gardener. I love flowers and vegetables. I grew up my entire life with them, and now I'm going to be drawing a little cute cartoon rose. Basically, the action line in the middle I created. I have the top square where the rose is, the stem, the little petals, and the pot. Broke it down to these elements because they help develop the structure when thinking how the art's going to be laying out. So right now I'm just doing a little curve of the rose, bending over and changing the shape of the rose a little bit to add a little cuteness to it, more of a bow instead of a square. And these are just the basic structuring when we work as a traditional cartoonist. We like to lay down some foundation, and adding some of the curves on the top. You see more dimensional. That's pretty much like a three-dimensional top part. I'm going to be sharing some classes on drawing perspective as well. Right now, let's do her eyeball. Get that in there, and get the other one in there. There you go. Medium-sized eyeballs. You can make any size. See, when you're doing your version, if your eyes are smaller or bigger, that's cool. That's your style. And let's add some eyelashes on there to give a little more of a cuteness, a big smile on her with her mouth open. Yeah, showing a little tongue. And I'm shading in there to separate those two areas so it kind of gives that dark separation. Let's add some leaves underneath the rose. And I will be coloring this in Illustrator and in Photoshop. Even though I'm coloring it kind of a red, a rose comes in many different colors. Oh, we can't forget the thorns. So I'm going to put some big ones on there. Man, I had a lot of scratches when pruning and trimming my roses. But you know what? They're a pretty flower. All right, let's get the other leaf done on the other side. There we go. And I'm just going to shade it in, some speed lines right now to give some distinction for me. So when I'm inking, I can know where the lines might go. This is a medium sketch. It's not a tight one that sometimes I've done, or even a very loose one. This is pretty much a standard medium. And that's shading that pot in the inside there, so it stands out some more. Let's make the pot a little darker to give your eye more contrast. Finishing the top, and there we go. Let's get a little bit more darker on the rose there. Let's get the little lines in there to indicate you can see the overlapping twirl, almost like a paper. You're rolling up a paper, and then you look at an angle. That'll help. And a little bit darker on the top, completing this one. That's the overlapping for the petal. Kind of gives it like if it was her hair. That's what I was trying to play up on. And this one's done, so I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching again. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.